The stakes may be quite high when it comes time to get a business valuation for divorce. Frequently, business valuation has a major impact on entrepreneurs and their spouses when they divorce, because the business may be their most valuable asset. It may help to have a working knowledge of the valuation process and how taxation affects many aspects of a business valuation in divorce. Chapter 6 of my book is devoted to analyzing the tax aspects of business valuation, with special attention to the issues and strategies applicable to divorce and child support disputes. Tax affects all aspects of business valuation in divorce because valuation is frequently based upon the income generated by a business. The business earnings are projected into the future after payment of expenses and taxes to calculate their net present value. In other words, under the income approach, the value of a business is equal to what a buyer would pay to receive a future stream of income from the business. Several tax-related issues may arise when performing a business valuation in divorce under the income approach. The capitalization rate and the stream of income to which it is applied must be matching, or the result will not be accurate. Businesses that do not pay taxes at the corporate level, such as partnerships, LLCs, and subchapter S corporations, which are known as pass-through entities, their income must be reconciled with those that do. One of the more controversial issues in business valuation is that of tax affecting pass-through entities. If an S corporation's net income is greater than the net income of a similar C corporation, but only because the C corporation pays corporate level taxes, a business valuation will show that the S corporation is more valuable. Yet many experts do not believe that an S corporation is inherently more valuable than a similar C corporation. To rectify this discrepancy, some experts have posited that a hypothetical corporate income tax should be deducted from the income of a subchapter S corporation. Now, in 1999, the U.S. Tax Court rejected the practice of tax affecting in gross versus commissioner, but that wasn't the end of the controversy. Many business owners pay themselves more or less than what they might receive as arm's-length employees, often for tax reasons. When an income-based business valuation is performed, their wages must be adjusted to reasonable compensation. This topic intersects with the related concept often litigated in tax court of whether the owner's salary is deductible as a business expense or is a disguised dividend. Valuation discounts are another tax-related topic that affects business valuation in divorce. Valuation discounts are applied to recognize that privately held companies are not bought and sold as readily as publicly traded companies, particularly if the seller owns less than a controlling share. This topic is frequently litigated in the U.S. tax court and matrimonial courts to determine the fair market value of businesses. According to the father of business valuation, Shannon Pratt, valuation discounts are big money issues because valuation discounts can reduce the market value of a business by up to 50% or more in many cases. When it's time to go to court or settle a matrimonial dispute involving a family business, the lawyers and judge must be well informed about business valuation in divorce. Business valuation is neither a science nor an art. It's been described as a craft where skill, experience, creativity, and professional judgment have their impact on the outcomes. Tax issues are pervasive, and just as importantly, business valuations are frequently litigated in U.S. tax courts, not just in matrimonial cases, but also in estate and gift tax cases. Those who study business valuation may have an advantage in settling and litigating their cases, which is why we've devoted an entire chapter to that subject in my book. For family law help in Western Pennsylvania, call me. I'm Brian Virts, and for more than 25 years, I've represented business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals. I've represented all kinds of people with complicated child support and divorce issues. My law firm is a powerful team of lawyers dedicated to family law. in Pittsburgh and Western Pennsylvania, call me at 412-471-9000.